Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are the 19th of July 2020. Yesterday the price of Bitcoin stayed more or less below this green support line. And this green support line is a part of this triangle pattern defined by this red support line, this blue trend line, and this green trend line. And in February, we had a similar pattern, also a triangle defined by three trend lines, the red one, the blue one, and the green one. And here we had a breakout before the end of the triangle. But right now, we did not have a breakout yet, only a small breakout, but I expect a big move like this one. But we are not yet at the end of the triangle. And the end of the triangle will be on the 20th of July. That is on Monday. But if we would give another place to this green trend line, for example, like this, it would also make sense because we have this wicks to the downside. And then if we draw this green trend line like this, the end of the triangle would only be on the 24th of July. So it depends on how you draw this green trend line, when will be the end of this triangle. And when we are at the end, we will have a breakout, but it also can happen before. And this chart shows also the price of Bitcoin, but this is the daily chart. And here we have the same triangle pattern. And in the past, we also had triangle patterns like here and here and here. And most of the time, we had to wait until the end of the triangle before we had a breakout. But when we had a breakout, the breakout was very fast and almost a straight line down, like here, or here, or here. So probably the same will happen here too. But the timing of the breakout will be next week. And it's very hard to say on which day. And this pattern is a symmetrical pattern around the end of the uptrend. This was the uptrend, and here the downtrend started. And first the price of Bitcoin moved between the red trend line and the yellow trend line until we reached this stop pattern. And the stop pattern is defined by the blue trend lines and the green support lines. But here we had a big volatility. The price shot up fast and then came down. But here we have a very low volatility and we are creeping slowly until something happens. And we see that here we had a big move, and this purple line represents this big move. And we have a symmetry around this light blue line. So if we draw a line here until this big move and we place it on the other side, then we see that this is the right location for this purple line. And this purple line is on the 22nd of July. That will be on Wednesday. So then a big decline might happen. And before that happens, we might creep further like this, and then a big decline, and then we move again between the red and yellow trend lines. So, and in February we also had a symmetrical pattern, more or less. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time.